Lesson 1 will prepare you, the learner, to set up a C file in Visual Studio Code. As a result of following the instructions under the Manipulating Files section, a file, basicCalculator.c, will be developed in VS Code, capable of executing your first lines of code written in C. Begin by creating a new folder in the File Explorer application in your Windows computer under Local Disk C, named VS Code-C Files. Open Visual Studio Code's Integrated Development Environment, IDE, and under File, select Open Folder. VS Code will ask, do you trust the authors of the files in this folder? Select Yes, I trust the authors. Under the Explorer section in VS Code, select New File. Name the file basicCalculator.c and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Note that basicCalculator.c is named with the proper file extension .c and adheres to camel casing. Click on basicCalculator.c and this will open the file in the IDE. Add the standard input and output library stdio.h to line 1 by typing #include left angle bracket stdio.h right angle bracket. Set the basic structure for the main function by following the next set of instructions. Type on line 3 int main open parentheses void close parentheses. Press the Enter key on the keyboard. Press the curly brace key. Press the Enter key twice to space out the curly braces. On line 6, type return 0 semicolon. At this point, you have established the basic file framework used for coding in C. To build a file, simultaneously press the Ctrl, Shift, and B keys on your keyboard. Doing so will bring up the Select the Build Task to Run prompt. Click on C/C++:gcc.exe build active file. A message in the terminal displaying build finished successfully should appear, meaning that everything went well. In the rather event, you receive an error. Revisit the code and verify that everything was typed according to instructions. Select the View option from the menu and click on Terminal. This will open the terminal anytime you need access to compiling or manipulating files. Type the following code in the terminal. To compile basicCalculator.c, type gcc to add the compiler, followed by -o and calculator. Press the Enter key. A fatal error has occurred. Correct it by changing calculator to basicCalculator.c and leaving the output as calculator. Pressing Enter will send you to the next line of code. If no errors are received and nothing seems to happen other than the next line appearing, then you have been successful. Execute the basic calculator file by typing /basicCalculator and pressing Enter. At this point, if no error messages appear, you have successfully set up your IDE for coding. To clear the terminal at any time, use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+L. By following the steps in Lesson 1, you have developed the basic framework for a C file. In the next module, you will code a no user input required calculator.